Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and handy heroes. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for you. We're counting down the top 10 cool tools that will make your life easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started on your DIY journey, these gadgets are going to change the game. Let's dive in. Number 1. The JobSite Boot Scrubber is a heavy-duty boot scraper brush designed to keep floors clean by removing mud, sand, dirt, dust, snow, grass, burrs, and more from your footwear. Ideal for messy environments, it prevents tracking debris indoors. The scrubber comes with hardware, 4 screws and 4 concrete anchors, 4 easy mounting on wood, plastic, concrete, or truck steps. Its snug fit provides the necessary friction to effectively clean your shoes. Built to last, it features an industrial metal frame and composite plastic sides that withstand all weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use. Versatile and durable, it works on shoes, sneakers, work boots, golf cleats, soccer and football cleats, feet, and muck boots. With its high-quality construction, the JobSite Boot Scrubber ensures long-lasting performance and keeps your floors spotless, making it a valuable addition to any home, workplace, or sports facility. Number 2. The Bit Holder. A 1/4-inch hex shank screwdriver bits holder extension bar is a cool and convenient tool that's a great addition to any work bag. Designed for HVAC technicians, it saves room inside your bag and works perfectly on Vito tool backpacks. This lightweight and portable bit holder ensures you can say goodbye to chaos and no longer worry about not finding your tools. It allows for easy one-handed use to take and change bits, making your work more efficient. Compatible with a variety of electric screwdrivers, handheld screwdrivers, and drill bits, this bit holder is incredibly versatile. Its compact design keeps your bits organized and easily accessible, ensuring you have the right tool at your fingertips. The bit holder is a very handy accessory that makes your job easier and more organized, making it an essential addition to any technician's toolkit. Number 3. The Bosch GLM 123 100-foot Blaze Laser Distance Measure is a fully featured tool designed for precise and easy measuring. It includes 2 AA batteries and boasts a brighter graphic display with a new user interface designed for better readability, even in low-light or no-light conditions. The display features intuitive icons, big number mode, and upgraded contrast for enhanced clarity. This laser measure has a user-friendly layout with 2-button operation, one for measuring and one for rounding. The unique rounding button allows users to easily round measurements from 1/2 up to 1/32 inch. Its real-time measurement mode provides accurate results that adjust automatically based on distance to the target. The enhanced user interface includes a click wheel for easy setting and function navigation, and a keypad with a standalone recessed measuring button for easy identification by touch. The slimmer grip design makes it comfortable to handle, and its compact size fits easily in your pocket. The Bosch GLM 123 features full rubber overmold housing, similar to a roll cage, protecting all major points and ensuring durability. This laser measure is a reliable, easy-to-use tool perfect for professionals needing accurate measurements in various conditions. Number 4. The Billetools 15-piece Universal Ratcheting Serpentine Belt Tool Set is designed for removing or installing serpentine belts on vehicles with spring-loaded belt tensioner pulleys. This set combines the advantages of a ratcheting wrench with the requirements of a serpentine belt removal tool, offering the best possible combination for ease of use and efficiency. It includes an extension for hard-to-reach belt tensioners and 8 low-profile sockets and extensions to fit into tight spots, making it ideal for various vehicle maintenance tasks. The set features a 14-inch extension arm, a ratcheting wrench with a 19mm female ratchet drive, and 3/8-inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4-inch square adapters. It also includes sockets in sizes 13mm, 14mm, 15mm, 16mm, 17mm, 18mm, and 19mm, as well as crowfoot wrenches in sizes 13mm, 14mm, and 15mm. With these tools, you can easily access and manipulate belt tensioners in tight spaces, making the process of changing serpentine belts more straightforward and less time-consuming. The Billetools Serpentine Belt Tool Set is a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast working on vehicle maintenance. Number 5. The Saker 44-inch grabber reacher tool and 32-inch long handle dressing stick is a versatile and convenient set designed to make daily tasks easier. This 3-pack includes 2 grabber reachers, one 32-inch and one 44-inch with rotating jaws, and a 32-inch adjustable-handled shoe horn, perfect for a variety of uses around the home. Made from durable materials, the Reacher Grabber tool can handle objects up to 3 pounds without damage. The arm extension is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight, solid, and easy to use. The shoe horn is crafted from sturdy resin, featuring smooth, rounded edges to prevent snags and tears in socks and to avoid scuffing shoes. The foldable design of these tools makes them easy to carry and store, ensuring your home remains neat and organized. Strong magnets add to their convenience, allowing you to easily pick up small metal items like nails, keys, and coins. The enhanced jaw design features a 360-degree swivel head made of soft rubber, which requires no twisting of the arm or wrist and can be extended in any direction effortlessly. The magnet on the grabber makes it easy to pick up small metal items. This set has wide applications. It's great for picking up toddler toys, and the long-handled shoe horn is particularly helpful for the elderly and disabled to reach low or high places. Suitable for both young and old, the Saker Grabber Reacher tool set makes your life easier and more enjoyable by helping with various tasks around the house. Number 6. The Aazzark Copper Pipe Cutter offers a full-size cutting range, effortlessly slicing through pipes with an outer diameter ranging from 1/4 inch to 2 3/4 inch. Additionally, it includes a mini tubing cutter designed for tight spaces, capable of cutting pipes from 1/8 inch to 7/8 inch. Crafted from heat-treated SKD-grade material, the heavy-duty pipe cutter blade boasts a remarkable hardness of up to HRC 52. This ensures effective cutting of pipes made from aluminum, copper, PVC, and thin stainless steel tubes. With its versatility, the copper pipe cutter can handle various cutting materials, including heavy-duty hard materials like thin stainless steel, as well as softer tubes such as aluminum, copper, and PVC. Equipped with 6 bearings for faster cutting, the cutter's precision rolling mechanism guarantees smooth and accurate cuts, resulting in cleaner pipe sections. Additionally, a sturdy ergonomic PVC knob at the base of the tool ensures stability during use, enhancing cutting efficiency. The Aazzark Copper Pipe Cutter is a professional-grade tool designed for efficiency and precision, making it an essential addition to any toolkit for plumbing, HVAC, and general pipe cutting tasks. Number 7. The Janir Disconnect Tongs tool is a handy device for plumbing work, making it easy to disconnect push-to-connect fittings in different sizes: 1 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. It comes with interchangeable plates and allows one-hand operation, meaning you can release fittings and push out pipes with just one hand, making your work much easier. To use it, you just need to squeeze the handles to clamp the pipe, then press the middle handle to release the pipe effortlessly. This tool is made of strong carbon steel, so it won't rust or wear out easily. The handles are designed to be non-slip and comfortable to hold, preventing hand fatigue during use. Overall, it's a simple yet effective tool that any plumber or DIY enthusiast can use to make plumbing tasks quicker and simpler. Number 8. The Woodworker's Multi-Purpose Magic is a versatile tool that's like magic for woodworkers. It's designed to help with a variety of tasks, like prying, pulling, removing, and scraping, making it perfect for refinishing furniture or building new pieces. Made of strong stainless steel, the pry bar scraper is durable and won't bend or crack during use. It has a dual-end design, with one end shaped like a pry bar for leveraging small objects, and the other end has a sharp scraper edge for removing caulk, adhesives, paint, and more from different surfaces like glass, metal, and hard materials. The tool also features a nail puller eyelet hole, which makes it easy to remove nails and brads from walls and trim during demolition or disassembly. It's great for pulling apart walls, prying off moldings, tiles, and slats, and removing baseboards and trims. Plus, it can be used for various other tasks like nail pulling, hive tools, opening bottles, or even as a beekeeping scraper. Number 9. The Hotmech 7-inch panel clip removal pliers are a handy tool for removing various fasteners and clips in automotive and bodywork applications. Made from high-carbon steel, these pliers are strong and durable. They're also specially coated to prevent rust, ensuring a longer tool life. These pliers feature ultra-sharp cutting edges that are heat-treated for extra hardness, giving users up to 2 times more cuts. The flush cut design allows users to cut right up to the tip of the pliers, making precise cuts easier. Comfort is key with these pliers, as they feature overmolded comfort grips that prevent slipping and provide all-day comfort, even during heavy use on the job site. The pliers also have an opening spring and high-leverage design, making them easy to use and maximizing performance and accessibility. They're perfect for prying and cutting fasteners, plastic rivets, zip ties, cables, hoses, and soft metal wires. Whether you're working on cars or other projects, these pliers are a versatile and essential tool to have in your toolbox. Number 10. The two-piece trim carpentry tools are essential for precise and efficient finishing work in carpentry projects. Perfect for tasks like trimming windows, doors, cabinets, and installing hardware. These tools are designed to make your job easier and more accurate. Crafted from CNC-machined anodized aluminum alloy, these tools are rust-proof, durable, and resistant to corrosion. This ensures they'll last through many projects without wearing down. One of the key features of these tools is their ability to scribe offset parallel lines. This helps maintain consistency throughout your project, making it easier to set up drawer glides, drill, screw, or nail materials and surfaces accurately. Additionally, these tools can be used to measure drill and blade depths with precision. They're compatible with various machines like routers, table saws, and drills, allowing you to achieve accurate results every time. With imperial and metric scale marks, adjustable from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch in 1/16 inch increments, these trim carpentry tools offer versatility and convenience for all your measuring and marking needs. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, these tools are a valuable addition to your toolkit.